My name is Lisa Haque. I've been working with paper since about 2002. When I saw Capucine's work, I really responded to, again, the show is called Polarity, so the difference between it, the heaviness of hers, the weight, and how even though we're working with, there's a few forms that might be similar, but the texture of it and the lightness versus the weight is going to be a really interesting contrast. So I love that we were both immediately on board with all white. I mean, we thought about naming the show after that, but I think that it's really interesting to kind of reduce things down to their sort of basic elements and really experience something because of that.
My name is Capucine Safir. I'm a French-born, Miami-based artist. I'm a sculptor. I'm super excited about this show because I think Lisa's work will be really great with mine. I mean, both together, we're very different and we work on different materials and the feeling is different because I have smooth surfaces, and so my work is not textured, is smooth, it's white, and her is very white too, so I think this will work perfectly. But I like the texture of her work and the feeling, the lightness of it too. But her is actually light, mine is not. The feeling is there, but it's solid work. But I think it will be great together because it's like a contrast, but at the same time we're still on the organic shapes and on the nature inspiration and the neutral color that is there. So I'm super happy to work with her, and I think she's very talented, so it's gonna be a great show.